Hi, my name is Fujio Kojima, founder of Pirika. Pirika means beautiful in Ainu, one of Japan's indigenous languages. We are a hybrid organization of a for-profit company and a non-profit association. At Pirika, we are focusing on the problem of waste and specifically on the leakage of plastics into the environment. Pirika has been approaching the problem of waste from three angles. These are picking up litter, surveying litter on land, and surveying waste in rivers and oceans. For picking up litter, we developed an app that has the same name as our company, Pirika. Pirika is a social media platform for sharing photographs of the litter as it is picked up. Between 2011 and 2020, over 170 million pieces of litter were picked up in 108 countries. Here are some photos that they have shared. For individuals, the app is free. I hope you will find out for yourself how it feels to join this global movement. For businesses and local governments that want to advertise and encourage cleanup activities, we offer additional services for a fee. We can provide quantitative data about which products and brands are being picked up as litter, and then this information can be used to develop targeted solutions. The two other areas of focus for a company take the quantitative data aspect further. We have one service for land and the other for water. First, I'll talk about the one that we use for land. Takanome is a litter mapping service that leverages the video capacity of smartphones. It can identify the number and types of litter that appear in the video. The output includes a heat map showing relative concentration of litter. This allows governments and organizations to make informed decisions about how to spend their cleanup budgets. Recently, our client base has been expanding beyond governments to include tobacco companies and beverage companies. For surveys of plastics in water, we have Albatross. In our investigations, we focus on two types of information: leakage items and leakage pathways. These two pieces of information are important for developing efficient solutions. In the case of microplastics in water, the usual way is to pull a net behind a boat. But boats are very expensive, and if a river or a channel is quite narrow, a boat cannot even enter. We decided to develop a device that would be inexpensive and usable anywhere, named Albatross. Albatross can be suspended from a bridge or a pier, and the survey can be completed in just 3 minutes. Albatross has already been used in more than 300 locations in 10 countries, including in a project with the United Nations Environment Programme known as UNEP. It is quickly becoming one of the world's most widely used microplastic research devices. After plastics are collected, they have to be analyzed. Pirika works with universities and plastics processing companies to perform the analysis. Our past surveys have shown that more than 20% of microplastics that flow into Japanese rivers are fragments of artificial turf. Until we did our surveys, no one knew that artificial turf was such a major source of microplastics leakage. When we discover an inconvenient truth like artificial turf leakage, we start collaborations with companies that have risk and opportunity and begin developing solutions. For the case of artificial turf leakage, for example, we are creating guidelines about maintenance in order to reduce leakage, developing a filter for drains to stop leakage into water systems, and recycling collected fragments into new products. Our research is leading to both the development of solutions and the generation of new businesses. We share the information through white papers, presentations, media coverage, and an open data website. Through sharing, we aim to change the mindset of consumers and voters, and to enable discussions and policy decisions based on correct knowledge. Pirika is growing. We are hiring, and we are seeking to work with more companies and governments. If you are serious about solving environmental problems, we hope you will get in touch. Thank you.